We're looking at number 9 on the back of the third page of your packet. W over W plus 2 minus 8 over W squared minus 4. Clearly, those denominators are not currently common denominators. So I am going to, remember the strategy, focus on factoring the denominator first. So, and don't even worry about the numerator. So that equals W over W plus 2, because W plus 2 does not factor. It's just its own little binomial. So I'm going to put parentheses around it because that's what we do. Minus 8 over W squared minus 4. Remember, W squared, that's a perfect square because it's W plus W times W. And 4, that's a perfect square because it's 2 times 2. So that's the difference of two perfect squares, which means that it factors to a sum and difference, which means W plus 2 times W minus 2. Now, hopefully you're getting the hang of the idea that you're looking for what do they have that is shared. So W plus 2 and W plus 2 are shared. And what do you have that is not? Because you've got to make sure that they both have equally the same thing. So you will notice that the right-hand side has a W minus 2. So you have to multiply by W minus 2 over W minus 2 to give the left-hand side the common denominator of W plus 2 times W minus 2. Which means at this point you're ready to go ahead and combine over the same denominator. Leave it unmultiplied right now because you may need it to simplify later. You're going to multiply, now you just do the math. W times the quantity W minus 2 is going to give you W squared minus 2W. And then there's no math to do here except you don't forget that negative. That's minus 8. So W squared minus 2W minus 8 is the numerator. I've done all the math I can in the numerator. Once you've done all the math you can in the numerator, you just look to see, can I factor that? And the question is, are there any two factors that multiply to give me negative 8 and add to give me 2? And I believe there are. If you had a negative 4 times a positive 2, negative 4 times positive 2 would give you a negative 8. Negative 4 plus positive 2 would give you a negative 2. So you're going to factor this to W. And by the way, most of you would have done it like this. Negative 8, negative 2, what are the factors? And the factors are negative 4 and 2. Okay? So W minus 4 times W plus 2 is the new numerator, factored numerator, over W plus 2 times W minus 2. So now everything is multiplied out and everything is factored. You're looking for what I call ones, what you probably would say cancels. Remember, entire addition subtraction problems can cancel, but you can never cancel out of addition and subtraction. So it's all or nothing. W plus 2 though, and over W plus 2, that makes 1. So you can cancel that, and what you end up with is W minus 4 over W minus 2, and that is as simple as it goes.